I have been wanting to make smashed potato salad for the longest time, so I finally got around to making it today. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay some greaseproof paper down on the oven tray. I have boiled some new potatoes and I'm just going to put them onto that tray. And while they're still hot, I'm going to use the back of a glass to smash the potatoes like so. I'm now going to drizzle on some olive oil. I'm just going to add some smoked paprika. I'm going in with some salt to taste. I'm just going to add some pepper and some mixed herbs. And finally a little bit of red crushed chillies. And that's now ready for my air fryer oven. I'm going to bake them at 190°C for 20 minutes. And now to prepare my vegetables. First of all, I'm going to roughly chop up one red onion. I'm now going to finely chop some dill. I'm going to add that in there with the onions. I'm now chopping up some fresh coriander. I'm just going to add that into the bowl. I'm just going to roughly chop some cucumber now. I'm just going to move on to some yellow pepper. And this is completely optional, but I'm going to add a scotch bonnet to my potato salad, and this really gave it an extra kick. That's all the vegetables I'm using today, so I'm going to go in with some natural yogurt. I'm going to add some mayonnaise. I'm going to season it with some mixed herbs. I'm going to add some black pepper and a little bit of salt. I'm just adding a little bit of cayenne pepper and a little drizzle of olive oil. I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice. I'm just going to combine all them ingredients together. So the smashed potatoes are now ready, and this is how they're looking. And I'm going to very slightly mix them together. I'm not going to over mix these because I like to see the smashed potatoes at the top. And that's all ready. I'm going to pop it in the fridge and serve it cold.